Welcome to Reliable India Jobs. We are here introducing Capital Diary app. This app is developed by Coastal Ventures Udupi and promoted by Reliable Right Click India LLP. You can use this app for recording your day-to-day income and expenses. And also you can earn extra income by promoting this app. This app is available in Google Play Store at Rs 1300. You can directly purchase this app through debit card, credit card, or Google Pay. If you are Reliable India Jobs registered customer, you can directly download this app by using pre-installation promo code given by the Reliable India company. If you are looking for extra income, or part-time job, or work at home, this is the reliable platform for each and every one. Now I will show you how you can earn with our company. Step 1. To become affiliate partner, you have to purchase Capital Diary pre-installation code by Reliable India company. Cost of the app installation code is Rs 1300 only. Then register with Reliable India Jobs official website by the guidance of your introducer. Our official website address is ourjobplanet.com. Now we learn how to install Capital Diary app from Google Play Store by using installation code given by the company. Step 1. Go to Google Play Store. Open menu tab at the left corner. And click on Redeem button. It's fourth button from the bottom. Then Play Store will ask you to redeem gift card or promotion code. Enter your installation promo code in here. Afterwards it will ask you to install app directly. How this app is useful to you. This app has 3 categories. 1. Income category. 2. Expenditure category. And third one is balance category. At all category you can create your own requirements. For example, in income category, salary, commission, rent, bank interest, or any other business income you can add. At expenditure category, you can create needed category. For example, home expenses, travel expenses, office rent, medical expenses, insurance, charity, holiday trips, weekend party, etc. It is very convenient to everyone to manage their day-to-day income and expenditure of the family. You can also get monthly report, quarterly report, half-yearly report, and yearly report by single click. You can download this account statement to PDF format. Also take a printout for accounting purposes. You can view all your monthly income and expenditure in a one page on calendar. And also this app show you income and expenditure category wise pie chart. How you can earn extra income at Reliable India Jobs. Step 1. At your affiliate ID you will have ad click links in our website. If you click on each advertisement link, your advertisement wallet will credited by 10 points. Once your ad wallet points cross 200 points, you can start earnings by promoting Capital Diary app. You can promote this app by any social media, like Facebook, WhatsApp, OLX, or your friends circle and family relatives. If anyone interested to use this app, register him at Reliable India Jobs official website by using your affiliating sponsor ID. When you promote someone to purchase Capital Diary app, from your ad click wallet 200 points comes to cash wallet. And also you will get 400 points as affiliate benefit. Total 600 rupees will come to your cash wallet by single promotion of this Capital Diary app. And also you will get teamwork benefit 50 rupees by each single sales of your direct team. Teamwork benefit will extended up to 10 generation. All benefit will credit to your bank account once in a week. Payment day is every Monday. You can learn all registration process and benefits from your introducer. Hurry up to join Reliable India Jobs and start earning now. Welcome to Reliable India Jobs. Wish you good luck. Thank you all.